was last night till yesterday 28 we test out the grill and we did this connection, very dangerous connection. This is a air pressure valve. We use it for connecting the gas thingy, not made for gas. Always check for gas leak with soap and water before use. Second trial of this gas thingy. Always. Come on. Connection is going well. This is our day 2 of testing the grill. Yesterday we did chicken and beef. Now we're trying to cook lamb flap. Nerity joined the party, so we're gonna try cooking lamb flap today. Test and run until New Year. The main barbecue is New Year, 31st. We're gonna cook New Year Eve till New Year. That's the whole idea of this barbecue thing. Leave my camera on stop. Might tend to sit at the back of the wheel. We are here at Subwise, trying to do some shopping to try out the barbecue and also probably get a few food for the New Year's. And also we need like stuff like scapula and all the other stuff for the grill, so we are here doing that right now. So we're gonna try some burgers also. So anyway, yeah. This is an experiment cocktail. Yakult, Sprite, and Johnny Walker. Johnny Walker. So we'll try it. We just got back from Heights. Tim just left me and Neverty down here just a few minutes ago. Anyway, the second testing of grill was nice, perfect, beneficial. We did cook some burgers and lamb. We tried lemon burger today because we tried beef and chicken yesterday, which is the 28th. Today, 29, we tried burger and beef. all worked out, enjoyed it, and yeah, this is the 29th of December vlog. See you in the next one.